The Histotechnician program is like the hidden gem of Cobleskill.
It's a smaller program, so you're very one-on-one with the teachers, and the lab size is very small, so you get a lot of time in the lab and you make a lot of friendships from being so close with all these people all the time.
And to just have that community, because it is so niche, but to be able to look at all these people and get so close to all these people and have all of these people root for me just as much as I'm rooting for myself, that also to me means a lot.
The job opportunities are incredible. It is a 100% job placement. Any place that you go for your clinical rotation is a 10-week interview. I did my clinical rotation here, and I got hired 2 weeks after it was over.
The starting salaries for most histotech positions that I know of in this area are very competitive. You're going to get a benefits package, retirement, healthcare. So you're setting yourself up for a pretty good career position out of a 2-year program.
If you don't want to go through all that schooling and residency to be a nurse or a doctor because you're not sure, this is the easiest way to get involved in the medical field and see if you're capable and see if that's what you want to do for the rest of your life.
A lot of people want to be, in the medical field and want to help people, but they don't always want to be on the front lines and have all that patient care every single day.
And even though we may not be seen by everybody and we're kind of behind the scenes, we still play a major role in patient care.
I could be the one that is cutting this block that catches a cancer. And to change somebody's life in such a meaningful way speaks volumes to me, and the fact that I'm able to do that, it makes me really proud to say that I'm able to help someone like that.
And you can take that wherever you see fit. You can move on with a bachelor's, you can move into a master's program while you're working, and a lot of the hospitals that you would get placed in have continuing education programs.
If you're interested in science and you want to help people, but you may not want to be with patients face to face every day, it's a great career, and it's a very solid program that will bring jobs and opportunity for you almost immediately.